This is global finance news. We are tracking a massive, unprecedented escalation in the Middle East. The city of gold is under siege. In a stunning expansion of regional hostilities, Iranian missiles and drones have struck the heart of Dubai. The world's busiest international hub, Dubai International Airport, has been hit. The iconic, sail-shaped Burj Al Arab has been seen with flames licking its facade. Tonight, the safe haven of the Gulf is a front line. Let's look at the facts. Dubai International Airport, DXB, has suspended all flight operations until further notice. At approximately 8:30 a.m. local time, a concourse at the airport sustained direct damage from what is being reported as an Iranian drone strike. The Dubai media office has confirmed that at least 4 staff members were injured in the blast. Operations at Al Maktoum International have also been grounded. This isn't just a delay. It is a total shutdown of the world's connective tissue. Emirates and Fly Dubai have grounded their entire fleets as the UAE Ministry of Defense reports, detecting over 130 ballistic missiles and 200 drones in a single wave. But the images shocking the world right now are coming from the coast. The Burj Al Arab, a global symbol of luxury, was caught in the crossfire. Authorities confirm that while UAE air defenses intercepted a drone, the resulting debris caused a minor fire on the hotel's outer facade. Simultaneously, reports are surfacing of a separate fire at Jebel Ali Port and a luxury hotel on the Palm Jumeirah. For decades, Dubai sold itself as the world's most stable address. Tonight, residents are being told via emergency SMS to stay away from windows and seek immediate shelter. Why now? This is Iran's 6th wave of retaliation. This follows the joint U.S.-Israeli strikes on Iranian soil that reportedly killed Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. Tehran had promised True Promise 4, and they are delivering it by targeting U.S. allies and bases across the Gulf. It's not just Dubai. Explosions have rocked Abu Dhabi, where 1 fatality is already reported, as well as Doha and Manama. The regional war is no longer a shadow conflict. It is a full-scale conflagration involving the world's most critical energy and aviation corridors. Thousands of Indian expats and international travelers are currently stranded in darkened terminals, waiting for news that may not come for hours. Is this the end of the Gulf's era of neutrality? We are monitoring the situation minute by minute. Stay with Global Finance for the latest on the Iran-Israel war. Don't go anywhere.